Speak and improve. Part 3. Question 1. All university students should do part-time jobs while they are studying. What are the advantages? The advantages are that you are doing a big sacrifice. Economically, you are gaining enough money to cover your pleasures and needs. You are being disciplined, responsible, and you feel good with yourself. Some of the disadvantage is that you may have not enough time for yourself. You may have not enough time for free time activities, for your family, for resting. In my opinion, I really admire people who work and study because they are showing great effort and we know that the effort is worth.